and 1, University of Benin, Benin City, Nigeria. 2, the Governing Council, University of Benin, Benin City, Nigeria. 3, the Chairman Management Board, University of Benin Demonstration Secondary School. And 1, United Bank for Africa, PLC. 2, Idigbe Microfinance Bank. My Lord, the parties are absent. Garnishi absent, my Lord.
Appearances. Appearances.
With profound respect, my Lord, I am B.O. Ojuma. My Lord, my humble appearance is for the judgment debtors applicants.
Yes.
With profound respect, sir. B.I. Eboigwe, sir. B.I. Eboigwe, sir. Most humbly appears for the claimant judgment creditor.
Yes.
May it please, my Lord.
Yes.
K.E.
Yes.
K.E. Inehikari. My parents, my Lord, is for the first Garnishi, UBA PLC.
Yes. What of the second Garnishi? Yes.
My Lord, the matter was adjourned to
somebody is making an announcement. Somebody's announcing his appearance.
Okay.
I hold what?
Well, good.
I didn't quite catch the surname.
Andrew.
Okay.
Inefo.
Andrew Inefo.
Yes, my Lord.
Can you spell the Inefo, please?
Inefo is spelled I-M-I.
Yes.
E-F.
Okay.
Yes.
O-H.
Very well.
My parents.
Okay, raise your hand.
For the second Garnishi.
Okay. Very well.
My Lord, I am sorry that on the last adjourned date,
I'm applying for an applicant. We just filed an application. I'm interested.
There was a miss.
Sorry, is that
Yes, this was Mr. Ojuma, my Lord.
very well.
Yes, sir. On the last adjourned date, there was a miss in our diary. So we could not now appear before my Lord on that day. It was later that we discovered that the proceedings came up on that day, and so we were told of what happened. Our motion that we filed to be taken on that day, which we wanted to take on that day, was struck out. So we immediately filed another one. Which is dated the 11th day of July.
Sorry, my Lord.
And the same was filed on the 13th.
Sorry, my Lord. Our hand is up.
Let him finish.
As court please.
Yes, Mr. Ojuma.
Yes, sir. So same has been duly served on all the parties.
When?
Then over the weekend, my lord, while I was away, the judgment creditor filed a response, a counter affidavit that was served on us.
Your motion is dated when? The new
It's
motion.
dated, my lord, 11th of July, my lord. 11th of July. And it was filed on the 13th of July, my lord.
Very well. Mr. Idigbe.
Yes, sir.
I'm grateful, sir. Yes, we received the third motion. The third motion was served on us on the 13th of July. And then we immediately filed the counter. We are opposed to the application. Filed the counter on the 19th of July, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. That's the position, sir. All the parties,
You filed a counter.
Yes, we filed the counter, sir, on the 19th of July, conveying our position to the said motion, sir. Our counter, sir, our counter is also supported by a written address.
Very well.
Okay.
So you are ready. The motion is for hearing. Are you ready?
My lord, no,
Yes.
my lord, I am very sorry. I came into town and that was when I saw that the motion was, they filed a counter affidavit on us. And my lord, I am very sorry about this. I would need to say some response to their counter affidavit by filing a reply on point of law, my lord.
When were you served?
My lord, it was served on the 21st. It was served on the 21st.
Yes. So you still have how many days to respond?
From that day till if starting from Saturday now, today is a Wednesday. So my lord, we would have been able to file on Friday. We'll be able to put in our reply on Friday, sir.
Okay, Mr. Idigbe, let me ask you.
Yes, my lord.
This, garnishees, they have filed their affidavit to show cause. They have complied with the order of the courts on the last date of adjournment.
Not exactly, Lord. I was served, I was only a soft copy of what the garnishee filed. I think the second garnishee was sent to me via WhatsApp just yesterday. The first garnishee, I cannot say for certain because nothing.
Okay, very well. So there's no point. There's no point going on. Mr. Ojuma wants to file a reply on points of law, which means that we have to take a day. From the look of things, I don't think there's really any urgency. I think you people should just wait until we resume, because I can't keep on at matter. And by the time we hear this one, we'll have to enter a ruling. And that will be eating in deep to my vacation. I don't see how we can take the motion or others within the legal year. You understand?
Yes, yes, my lord.
As a court pleases.
So I think both of us agree to take a date. So by the time we resume, we'll take it up from there.
As the court pleases, sir. So, my lord, sir, I don't know if the registrar of court can guide us on the most convenient date to the court, sir.
I can see you, James. Give them a date.
As the court pleases.
Give them a date. Unmute yourself, James. Unmute yourself and give them a date.
7th or 9th of November, 2023.
Your audio is very low. I think it says 7th October or something.
7th or 9th of November, my lord.
7th, 9th November. Look at the dates.
Yeah. My
Which
lord,
one is
9th is
convenient
convenient
for both of you.
My lord, 9th is convenient for me. Very, very convenient, sir. 9th is very convenient for me, sir.
Mr. Idigbe, where are you? Mr. Idigbe, are you there? Mr. Idigbe, is he there?
My lord, it appears his network has cut him off.
He has lost connection.
Yes, sir. My lord, I can inform him.
Okay.
November is convenient for us, my lord.
November 9th.
9, yes, my lord.
November 2023 for hearing of judgment debtors applications set aside.
As the court pleases. My lord, we are most grateful, sir.
Last time I had a network hitch.
Yes, we understand. I hope 9th of November is convenient for you.
The 9th of November, sir. We'll take it, sir.
Yes. It's
We'll
convenient.
Yes, it's convenient.
Okay, very well.
So,
we have adjourned it.
Okay. 9th of November.
Have a good day.
Yeah, same here, sir. We're grateful, sir. Bye. That's fine.
Or the next case.
Case number NICN/BN 22-2021 is between 1. James Otokurin, 2. Victor Ebon, for themselves and on behalf of former employees of Bender Seed and Flour Mill Limited. And 1. MI Ibokwe SAN. 2. Prime Field and Flour Mill Limited. 3. Asset Management Corporation of Nigeria. My lord, the parties are absent.
Very well. Appearances.
Con respect to this honorable J. Oboriefo, most humbly appear for the claimant's applicant, James Oboriefo, for the claimant's applicant.
Yes.
Respectfully, my lord. P.E. Owachu. My lord, I appear for the first and third defendant. Respectfully, my lord.
Yes.
With utmost humility, my lord. A.S. Ojulewa.
Yes.
Appear for the second defendant, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, on the
Mr. Oboriefo, you have an application to amend.
yes, my lord, we actually have we had refiled another one, so we actually now have two applications in which we want to withdraw one.
Okay. So the first one is dated. Mr. Oboriefo, are you there? I think it's network is acting up. So in any case, Mr. Owachu, are you opposing the application? Mr. Owachu, are you there? What about Mr. Ojulewa? Are you there?
I'm here, my lord.
Okay, are you opposing his application to amend?
No, my lord.
Okay, you have been served.
Yes. You've been served.
Okay, Mr. Owachu, please unmute yourself.
On the 20th of July.
Sorry?
We were served on the 20th of July, my lord, 2023.
I don't get you. You are not opposing the application to amend, or you are?
No. I'm not opposing, my lord. I'm just informing my lord that we served.
Okay, very well. Very well. Mr. Owachu, are you opposing?
Yes, my lord.
Are you opposing, Mr. Owachu?
I'm not opposed to the application.
Okay. It seems that Mr. Oboriefo has lost connection. I can't see him here, so I don't know. But he said he filed another motion. So we want to know which of the motions he wants to move this morning. I think we should just step it down so that it can come back online and go on to the third case. Let's step it down for him to come back online. Maybe somebody can contact him that the case has been stood down. Case stood down.
Stop, please.
Stop, please.
This is the last case. Call the next case.
Case number NICN/BN 23/2020 is between Dr. Patrick Ikechukwu and the governing council and Brusali University Ekpoma.
Which one are you calling now?
Number 3, my lord.
I thought it was okay. Just give me a moment.
Stop, please.
Okay, call the case again, please.
Case number NICN/BN 23-2020 is between Dr. Patrick Ikechukwu and 1, the Governing Council and Brusali University Economics. 2, Ambrosali University Economics. 3, the Vice Chancellor, Ambrosali University Economics. 4, the Registrar, Ambrosali University Economics. My Lord, the claimant is present. Defendant absent, my Lord.
Appearances. Appearances. Mr. Ojaga, please unmute your mic. It's on mute.
May it please my Lord. I am Chief Abayomi Thomas. I appear for the claimant.
Yes.
My respect to this honorable court, as always, is very profound. Dr. Idemudia Edetanle Boaimiri is my name. My learned friend, please can you mute yourself? My learned friend O.F. Ojaga appears with me. My Lord, our very humble appearance this morning is for the first to the fourth defendants in this case. The first to the fourth defendants in this case. My Lord, I sincerely apologize for my court on the last adjourned date. But subject to the convenience of the court, we are ready to go.
Go on with what?
My Lord, the matter is slated for cross-examination this morning. Before the last adjourned date, my Lord.
Okay. Okay, just give me a moment, please.
As the court pleases.
Yes. Yes, I can hear you.
Sorry, my lord.
Yes, please go on.
Thank you, my lord. My lord, before the last adjourned date, I was in this honorable court to speak peace on the need for these matters to be resolved amicably. And to that extent, I spoke with my learned friend, Chief Thomas, and I presented to him our position on the issues that were under consideration. And my learned friend agreed on 6 out of the 7 terms that we presented to him, and we made a promise that I will take advantage of my advantageous position by speaking with counsel with the view to resolving the other issue, which is the first. Unfortunately, my lord, the university was bedeviled by a series of unrest that led to the shutting down of the university for 10 working days, and council could not meet on the first. And because council could not meet, I had nothing to actually tell Chief A.B. Thomas until I took ill very briefly. Now, my lord, surprisingly, on the 30th of June 2023, I received a response from the claimant himself, directed to my office in person. That letter is dated the 30th of June 2023, signed personally by the claimant, copies the registrar. And I want to believe, my lord, that the registrar would have brought this to the attention of my lord most respectfully, and copied Chief Abayomi Thomas. Now, my lord, apart from the fact that this is very strange and novel, the letter practically insulted my persons and my efforts in resolving the issues. In one of the paragraphs, my lord, particularly paragraph 1, he practically insulted my person, a claimant, and copied my learned senior and friend, saying, among others, things that have not only wasted the time of the courts, the letter which I addressed to my learned senior, Chief Abayomi Thomas, was tainted with arrogance. He addressed that letter to me and copied my lord through the registrar. My lord, that is very novel. Now, my lord, I'd like to put on record that not only did I appear in person, not wrote, before my lord on that particular day, I took him in person to the biometric center against the order of the governor of the state that no more biometrics must be conducted in the state, because I was privy to that meeting and I could influence council at any time. I took him to the biometrics center in line with paragraph 1 of our intended settlements, which we forwarded to my learned senior. He was captured, and I told him I'll get back to him and that his name will be enlisted immediately on the payroll, particularly the pension, with effect from August. That was my promise. I did not stop at that, my lord. I made sure that he returned to ECOMA on my funding from my purse, all in an effort to show that I had made a promise and a commitment and I was willing to drive it before this letter came to me. My lord, this is very insulting from a claimant, very insulting, my lord. And so the only option I had was to present this back to the same council to say, these are the issues. And they said, well, we can still exploit settlement But if the matter is billed for cross-examination today, then you may need to go on. My Lord, it's on that premise that we are saying that we are ready. My Lord, I'll respectfully ask my Lord to take a look at that piece of paper that is sent to my office, particularly paragraph 2, which is most insulting.
Can you read it out?
My Lord, I don't know if my Lord heard me. I'm sorry, my Lord.
Yes, I heard part of it. I left at a time, but I'm back in. It's a network. But I heard what you said about the claimant writing you and insulting you, and he copied Chief Thomas. I heard that. So I don't know what else. You're talking about the procedure that is kind of strange for him to have insulted you. So I
My Lord, yes, and this is my... I'm sorry, my Lord.
Yes, I can hear you. Go on, please. Go on,
right.
Go ahead.
My Lord, sir, this is a public document. It was sent to me privately, but it was sent to the court. The court is a court of record and a public place.
It was sent to the court?
That means that I took this letter back to counsel to say, this is my experience. And having said so, my Lord, that we may just as well go on with the matter, even though we are not promise that we are for, and it accommodates everything. However, my Lord, since the matter is slated for cross-examination, we are willing to go on. When we ask to withdraw the office, that's our humble prayer, my Lord. Otherwise, we are ready to go on with this case. We are grateful, my Lord.
Very well. Chief Thomas, do you have anything to say?
My Lord, there is no need for my clients to tender a public apology. I, my learned friend, the apology myself. Because my Lord, remember the way I behaved in court the last time when I threatened to withdraw from this case.
Yes.
Indeed, paragraph 1 of that letter is not palatable to a learned friend like Dr. here. I sincerely apologize to him in regular paragraph 1 of that letter. It is misunderstanding between me and my client that led to him writing that letter out of frustration. Because we have been in court since 2020. This is the 3rd year. I sincerely apologize on my client's behalf. Further, when my learned friend took my client to the BVN center, my client said, and we repeated in the open court here, that he was not captured because he was told his name is among those terminated, retired, or dismissed. Be that as it may, I also apologize to this honorable court for that letter he wrote personally instead of me writing it. It shows the degree of misunderstanding between and my client. I am sorry. I apologize to this honorable court.
I'm sure that you and Dr. Ohaimere will be able to sort it out. I think you should, after the sitting, and resolve issues with you. However, the business of the day today is the cross-examination. Is the witness court?
Okay. My Lord, subject to the convenience of the court, we are ready. We will only be making our first application.
My Lord, subject to the convenience of the court, we are ready. We will only be making our first application, which is today.
Our very humble application, this first application this morning.
Our very humble application, this first application this morning, is to have
I only came on board
tendered in this course because
my
I only
first
came on board
appearance officially in this
my
matter,
first
even though I
appearance
came
officially in this matter,
in
even though I
on
came
the
in on the
13th day of
13th day of February.
I'll be asking that those exhibits.
I'll be asking that those exhibits.
With the leave of court for me to cross-examine the witness.
The leave of
Okay.
court.
That's our first
cross-examine the
application.
witness. That's our first application, sir.
That is your first application. You have other applications. Do you have other applications? Let me know. Do you have any other application apart from requesting?
Yes, my lord. My second application is that.
Yes, my application is that having gone through
pleadings, there were certain facts
which were inadvertently omitted by the former former counsel who handled this matter. So our humble application ahead of time, my lord, will be that we'll be amending at a particular point in time as it affects some paragraphs. But that will not stop the business of the day, my lord. I'm sure that when we do make those amendments, the law and the court will grant us the indulgence.
Let's go on. Let's go on with the business of the day, so that
as the court wishes.
Yes, I like the witness.
Exhibits?
Is the claimant in court, Ms. Chief Thomas?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Get into the box, please. Is he in the box?
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
It's the witness box.
Okay, very well. What of the exhibits? Dr. Hamir, you have the exhibit now. Do you have the exhibit?
Thank you.
Okay. Joseph, please remind him that it's on oath.
Doctor.
No, I'm fine. Fine. Thank you, sir.
You're reminded that you are free to follow the last. So I have to repeat my no. Yes, my lord. You reminded me.
So when was the last time he gave evidence in court?
Yes, my lord. You have reminded me.
So when was the last time he was in court?
5th June, my lord.
5th June.
Are you ready, Dr. Emire?
Very well, my lord. We are ready, sir.
Please go ahead.
Thank you, my lord.
Yes.
Dr. Chuke, how many Dr. Chuke do you have in the political science department? How many?
I do not know. But my name is Dr. Patrick.
No, just answer me first. Hold on. You do not know.
Yes.
How long were you in that department?
How long what?
How long was he in that department of political science?
I was given a letter of appointment.
How long? 5 years, 10 years, 30 years?
Over 30.
Over 30 years.
30 or 20?
He said over 30 years, my lord.
13.
30, 30, my lord.
30 years, okay. Go ahead.
I'll be correct to say that you rose through the rank to become a senior lecturer before your appointment was terminated. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
So I'll be correct to say, as at the date that your appointment was terminated, you were a senior lecturer in the Department of Political Science. Yes or no?
I will answer you, but I will answer in Spanish.
Answer me first.
According to the records of Andrews University, yes. Now goes my explanation. In 2016.
My lord, I don't think the explanation will be necessary. He has answered my question.
No. My lord, I think
I don't
the
understand.
witness be allowed to explain. He said, I will answer your question and I will explain. I think it will be wrong to shut him out.
No, this is cross-examination, Chief Thomas. He asked a question. It's a straightforward question. At the time your appointment was terminated, you were a senior lecturer in the political science department. Is that not the question? So there's no two way about it. It's either yes or no. And he said yes. So what is to explain about it?
Well, the claimant's case before this court is that he was already assessed for associate professor. Already assessed. That is his case. That he was already assessed.
Yes, I
for
understand.
associate professorship.
That would not take anything out of his evidence. The fact that when his appointment was terminated, he was senior lecturer. That will not take anything out of his case, Chief Thomas. Please go on, Dr.
As the court pleases. As the court pleases.
I'm grateful, sir. Now, before your appointment was terminated, you appeared before an ad hoc fact-finding committee. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Ad
hoc fact-finding committee. And its response, my lord, most respectfully, is yes.
Yes, go on.
Thereafter, you were issued a query after the fact-finding. You were issued a query. Yes or no?
May I know on the subject?
What's your answer?
May I know the subject of the query?
You can't ask me questions. I will ask you questions.
Were you issued a query or not, witness? After the fact-finding committee, were you ever issued any query?
No, my lord.
Yes.
Okay.
Go on.
Just a minute, my lord. Just a minute, my lord. Sorry. I'm sorry, my lord. I'm sorry, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, I'm sorry. I'm trying to check here. I'm sorry, my lord. I'm very sorry. Now, yes, my lord. Now, Mr. Chuke, sorry, Dr. Chuke, look at this query that you front-loaded. Look at it and respond in the affirmative or take it in.
Is that an exhibit?
What exhibit is that?
That's exhibit. Exhibit C.
Exhibit what? It should be on it. It should be on that document.
I'm just asking which exhibit.
Okay. Exhibit C20, my lord.
Yes. Yes.
It was not to me.
What was the question? What
was,
was, Doctor, what exactly was the question? Did you ask any question? What was the question? You said, look at exhibit C20. So what is the question?
Yes, my lord. Now take a look at it. I have not asked you that question. Take a look at it. Now that's a query issued to you which you front-loaded in this court. Now, were you in receipt of that query?
My lord, the query was addressed to the wrong fellow. Hold on.
You want to see how my questions are to respond. Now, the question is, were you issued this query, yes or no?
I was not issued this well. My names are Dr. Patrick. Here is Dr. Peter.
Okay.
My name is Dr. Peter.
As a follow-up question, did you respond to this query?
No, because I will not issue this one.
Okay.
Yes.
Did you appear before the senior staff disciplinary committee?
I did.
He said he did.
He said he did, madam.
Yes. Go on.
Now, after the decision of the governing council terminating your employment, did you appeal to the governing council
For a reversal of that
decision at any time?
I appeal.
Yes or no?
To the visitor of the school. To the visitor of the school.
My question is, did you appeal to the governing council?
No, I didn't.
Very well.
Yes.
Now, after your dismissal? Did you approach the bursary unit of the university to settle your claims? Yes or no?
No.
Very well.
Yes. Go on.
Now, you appeared before the fact-finding committee chaired by Professor Agueda. Yes or no?
Yes, I did.
Professor what?
Professor Agueda. Professor Agueda committee. He responds, yes, my lord, most respectfully.
Go on.
How many of you attended that fact-finding committee?
I do not know.
Okay. But you attended.
What did he say? How many of them attended the committee?
He said he doesn't know how many of them attended.
Yes. Go on.
Just a minute, man.
Dr. Aimere, you have 10 minutes to round off your cross-examination.
My lord, I'm sorry. I'm trying to tidy up. I'm a bit.
10 minutes.
Now, in that in that SDC, there's a senior staff disciplinary committee that you attended. Are you aware that the entire proceedings was recorded? I'm not. I said, are you aware? My answer is yes or no. First of all, are you aware that the entire proceedings was recorded?
I'm aware that it's not true.
No, you are not. Yes or no. Don't be basic. My question requires a yes or no. If you are aware, yes. But no. Are you aware that it was recorded?
I know.
Are you aware that it was recorded? Yes or no?
Yes, Dr. Chike, please answer the question.
I know it was not recorded.
I know it was not recorded. I think that answers your question.
As the court pleases. So, will you be surprised if a video recording of that proceedings is brought before this court?
Proceedings are many.
With respect, my question is specific. With respect to your appearance before the senior staff disciplinary committee.
I'm talking exactly the same.
Don't put questions to me. Answer my question. Will you be surprised?
Dr. Chike, Dr. Aimere, please. Dr. Aimere, please.
My lord.
Just ask your question. Don't hold conversation with the witness. Ask your question, allow him to answer. If he doesn't answer, I'm here to direct him to answer your questions.
As the court
pleases,
please don't let us descend into personal insults, please.
As the court pleases.
Now, Dr. Chike, you were asked a simple question. Will you be surprised to see the video evidence of your appearance? Yes or no?
I will be surprised.
No.
Yes, please.
Now, in your claimant's additional statement on oath, dated the 19th day of February 2021.
Yes.
You specifically mentioned in paragraph 4
yes,
that you were being victimized by the second and the third defendants. Paragraph 4 specifically.
Yes.
You want to look at it?
I don't need to.
All right. Yes. Now my question is,
second and third. Second and third defendants.
yes, my lord, that he was being victimized.
Very well.
Now my follow-up question, my lord, is this victimization that you claim that the second and the third defendant had against you, was it reported to a higher authority at any point in time? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Which formal higher authority did you report it to?
The commission. The commissioner.
The commission of what?
Commissioner of Education.
Okay. Yes, Dr. Aymera.
Do you have a proof to that effect? Yes or no?
I have a proof to it.
You have the proof?
Yes.
Yes. Dr.
Is
Aymera.
the proof before this court?
It is.
Yes.
I put it to you that there's nothing before this court addressed to the Honorable Commissioner for Education before this court to show that you were victimized in any way or form. I put it to you that there's nothing before court. Yes or no? No. Thank you.
Now, did you understand the question? There is nothing before this court addressed. Dr. Chike, please kindly behave yourself. Stop genuflecting towards the counsel. He's doing his job. He's asking a question. You have to address me. The question put to you, there's nothing before this court addressed to the Commissioner for Education about your victimization. So what is your answer?
I said yes, my lord.
There's not, okay, there's nothing. Yes. Yes, I recorded yes. Is that all, Dr.?
Where is it? If it's before the court, where is it? Dr. Chuke, please, where is it?
What?
Please.
You are giving him the exhibits?
My Lord, I'm sorry, sir. I needed to seek your leave, ma'am. He said it's before court, and I said he should identify it if there's anything like that. There's none, my Lord. Please, can I have it, doctor? Thank you. We are grateful, my Lord.
You have the document there, Dr. Chike.
I didn't hear you. No, I've collected it. I have it back. My Lord, we have it. We have it.
Where? Where? Is that an exhibit?
No, the document in question, it doesn't have it.
It doesn't have it.
And it's not among those front-loaded, my Lord. That's what we wanted to prove. That there's nothing about his victimization that he said he reported to a higher authority.
Let me hear that from him.
Okay, as the court
Dr. Chike, so your response to the last question is what?
I wrote to the commission when my salaries were all seen, and the commission ordered the school that they didn't pay me salary, and it is in our write-up and place it on notice that they should bring before this court their correspondence with the ministries. So it is for them to produce it.
Dr. Chike,
so it is for them to produce it.
Dr. Chike, I want you to stop pointing at anybody in the courtroom. You are in a court of law. Stop pointing at, just answer the question. You're a civilized person, you're a lecturer, educated person. Stop genuflecting. Now, the question is straightforward. Where is that document you spoke about? Is it before the court or where is it?
Please
where is the document?
Listen to my Lord. Listen to my Lord. And stop pointing fingers.
Do you have, it's okay. Do you have the document or not? Do you have it before the court?
The Lord is asking if you have the documents before the court.
I'm going to record no answer.
As the court pleases.
My Lord, he says it should be among the documents. That's what he said.
Your last question, Dr. Iran. Please round up.
As the court please. Now, in paragraph 6 of your claimant's additional statement on quote, paragraph 6 is dated, I'm sorry, my lord, the 19th day of February 2021. You said categorically, and I quote, that despite narrating the series of events leading to my leaving the panel, I was unjustly suspended with half pay on the baseless ground of misconduct, which was contained in an administrative report of Dr. Agemelo. Now, my question is, did you make any formal complaints to a higher authority about the Agweda's committee comportment or what you experienced during that fact-finding? Did you complain to any higher authority? Yes or no?
If I meet you, say Agweda's.
Please respond to the question.
What's the wrong question?
As the court pleases.
What did he say?
Please, I'm very specific on my questions. Just provide a response. Paragraph 6, I have read what you said. It's your statement. I said, did you complain about the anomaly in that fact-finding committee? Did you? Yes or no?
The fact-finding committee, I did not see this.
Hold on. You respond first and you explain to my lord.
Dr. Chike.
My lord.
Please answer the question. Did you report any anomaly before the fact-finding committee to anyone? Did you or did you?
I wrote on a piece of paper which the chairman of the senior staff security committee asked me to put down. And I did. I wrote to him about the fact-finding committee.
Okay.
Okay, the chairman SSDC committee asked you to stood it down. Is that what you're saying?
My lord, sir, there are two. My lord, the question I asked him, I'm sorry, my lord, is before a fact-finding committee.
Yes, I know.
Question at all with respect to what happened in the senior staff security committee. I said,
no, he said you wrote on a piece of paper. He said
yes,
you wrote on a piece of paper. Okay.
My lord, my question.
Okay.
My lord, maybe I need to ask my question again.
Yes, please.
As the court please. Now, I said, in paragraph 7 of Hilema's statement on oath.
7 or 6, Dr. Aimire, which one?
I'm sorry, about 6. No, 7, my lord. I'm sorry. 7, my lord.
Let him read it, please. Let him read it. Give him the witness statement. So you cannot ask your question. Just go straight to your question, please.
Please, can I ask?
Go ahead and ask your question, Dr.
My question is, did you complain of the series of events that you were displeased with about that committee to any higher authority? That's my question. Yes or no? And you explain it might not allow you.
I will answer. Please, my lord, permit me to add some explanation.
Answer, then you can explain.
Yes, I wrote on demand to Professor, the chairman of Senior Staff Security.
You wrote on a piece of paper to the chairman, senior staff.
No, it's not a piece of paper. I wrote comprehensive rights.
Okay, you wrote the chairman.
Yes.
About the fact-finding committee, about the anomaly there. You wrote him.
There's an explanation needed here.
No. I don't understand. It's either you wrote or you did not. There's nothing confusing about it. You wrote the chairman, senior staff disciplinary committee on the anomalies you noticed before the fact finding.
Explain.
You will explain.
I wrote. Am I permitted to explain?
Yes, you can.
Yes. Oh, good, my Lord.
Go ahead and explain.
He mixed up two issues. That is why I kept quiet. Fact-finding committee, I had no problems with them. There was nothing, the committee that I felt he was responding to is an administrative panel set up on Dr. Emily. So, about the fact-finding committee, there was nothing.
Has the court pleases?
Okay, so you did not write anything to the fact-finding committee?
No, the fact-finding committee, I wrote to the Judicial Service because there was nothing, I had no problem.
So
okay, you had nothing against the fact-finding committee? I had nothing against the fact-finding committee.
Only one.
But you mentioned an administrative committee.
That's administrative panel was the one that handled the question about, not fact-finding.
Dr. Oyamire, administrative panel that handled what?
My Lord, sir, my question to the claimant most respectfully is very clear. I didn't mix up anything. Very clear, and he has responded, my Lord.
I had nothing against the fact-finding committee, but it's the administrative panel set up. Yes, Chief Thomas.
My Lord.
Yes, I heard something. Administrative panel set up to do what? You mentioned one.
The administrative panel set up. Thank you, my Lord. I was abused. One of the members of the panel pointing to my eyes, pointing at my mouth, telling me, who do I think I am? And that they have decided to deal with me. And I told him, next time.
Very well, that's okay.
Please, I have
okay, so the fact finding is different from the administrative panel.
Yes.
Very well. Dr. Oyamire, please round up. I told you that I'm giving you 10 minutes. You have spent over 10 minutes.
No, my Lord, I'm very sorry, ma'am. If my Lord can see our flag it here, we have several cases because there are several questions.
Well, you cannot go on and on with cross-examination. You have spent like 45 minutes now. And the rule says 40 minutes. So you are walking.
My Lord, I'm very sorry. The reason why we have several questions is because it's a very serious case. My Lord, we have several, I must admit, properly flagged. And we have not even gone halfway at all. My Lord, I'm very sorry about it. If my Lord can see what we have, they are properly flagged.
But that doesn't mean I have to wait for you for 2 hours to finish cross-examination. You have spent 45 minutes. I'm limited by time. The only thing I can do for you at this point is to give you additional 5 minutes. Anything else, I'm going to stop you. Because you cannot go on and on with this cross-examination. It's going to be, you have your own case to prove, your witness is coming to prove your own case. Just ask the salient questions that is relevant to your case and let's move on.
My Lord, these questions that we're asking, I'm very sorry, my Lord. They are very salient questions to put the facts before the court.
Yes,
Lord,
but it cannot go on forever. That's what I'm saying.
Lord, I appreciate the fact that they cannot go I'm sorry, my lord. I appreciate the fact that they cannot go on forever. Maybe we'll be asking, my lord, for a further date for this project.
You know, I'm not going to give you any further date. I'm not going to give you any further date. You are limited by time. The rule says 40 minutes. You have spent up to 40 minutes. I'm supposed to stop you. I said, I'm giving you additional 5 minutes, and that's it. So maybe you look for the questions you feel are important to you and ask. And your time start running right now. Go on.
As a court, please. My lord, I'm sorry, my lord, I can't continue.
I didn't get you. What did you say?
If my lord will graciously smile, the sole witness, my lord, as well. There are very many questions.
My lord, I don't know if I can be heard, Lord.
Chief Thomas, yes.
My lord, we are governed by the rules of procedure of this honorable court. And the rules specify the minutes for cross-examination.
Yes.
And besides, they still have an opportunity to present whatever questions. They still have a witness they are going to call. They've already, the time allotted by the procedure rules have elapsed, as my lord observed, particularly as they have a witness to feed. That's my submission.
It's okay. Chief Thomas, Dr. Jaime, are you prepared to go on with your questions? You are spending over time as it is. I'm not bound to listen to you after 40 minutes. That is what the rule says. So if you want to stop now, or you want to go, I can give you some more minutes to wrap up.
If I was familiar with that rules and I take responsibility, my lord, perhaps I would have made my questions more concise. My lord, I would
But you have
further
had 50 minutes
because,
going now. Go ahead.
Because, my lord, I'm sorry. I'll ask no further questions at this stage. I go by your rules, my lord. I don't want to offend the court in any way.
Very well. Re-examination.
None, my lord.
Yes. So, Chief Thomas, you have another witness?
My lord, that is the case for the claimant. We close our case.
Dr. Jaime. Your defense.
Lord, if the court will oblige us, we'll take a date.
Very well.
And come back.
But I want to state this, that as a senior counsel, you are supposed to be conversant with the rules. So saying that you are not aware of it is not an excuse.
Lord, I take responsibility.
It's okay.
I take responsibility, my lord. And I
It's
will
okay,
never
but
offend the rules of court, neither would I offend my lord. I will never.
It's okay. No. Take a date.
I'm grateful, my lord. Can we be guided by courts?
That's October.
Not
convenient for us. Because it's not
No, I think I'm in the Supreme Court. So
Look for a date in November.
Have we come back in November? November. What dates? Apart from the first 2 weeks.
Talk to me now. Talk to me.
No problem.
What if 13, 14? 13, 14.
No, Monday will be good. Monday will be good.
Okay. November 13. Both of us will agree.
13 November, that's
But subject to confidence in several courts, we both agree for November 19th, 2023 for the opening of the checks.
It's convenient, my lord.
13th of November.
Yes,
Yes,
13th. Okay.
Yes, my lord. 13th November.
Okay. This case is adjourned to 13 November 2023 for defense.
What's up, President?
13th of November 2023 for defense.
As God pleases, ma'am.
Lord, the matter that was
Everybody's calling.
Is Mr. Goriafor there? Yeah. Is it there now? Mr. Goriafor, are you there now? Joseph.
Yes, my lord.
Is Mr. Goriafor there? Is he back online? Did you not get in touch with him?
Well, he has been online since. It's like he opted out. Yes.
Okay. Can somebody get in touch with him so that we can just take the application?
Yes, my lord.
Wait, wait the other one. Which one? Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Yes, the matter that was stood down. Yes.
Are you ready? Are you ready now?
Yes, my lord. Is the claimant have an application for amendment?
Yes, he was saying something that he filed 2 applications. I wanted to get, he wanted to withdraw one and move the other. That's why I need to have him online. Let him move his application.
Yes. If the one that he filed on the 7th of July, by my understanding, he had already withdrew that.
Are you moving his application for him? He withdrew that before court. When? When was that?
My lord?
When did you withdraw the one for 7th of July?
I think the time that the matter was called.
No, he had not. He was just telling me that he has 2 applications and that one was filed and that was it. He did not withdraw. So
My lord,
as the court
pleases.
Yes, Mr.
Now
Julewa.
he has opted out. I think we'll be taking a date, my lord. We'll pray for a date.
Joseph, are you there?
My lord, I've been able to reach counsel. He said it's on the page, but he only find it to join us.
Okay, he's working on it.
He's working on it, but he's been finding it to join.
All right. Yes, Mr. Julewa. Okay.
We got a call from the claimant's counsel. He informed us that it's been difficult to log in, my lord. And
it's finding it difficult to log back in.
Yes, my lord. So he informed me to to plead, my lord, for an adjournment.
All right. So what dates did this suggest?
What date is convenient for the court? Give us the convenient date for that, please. The man is online now.
Yes,
he's on now.
I'm very sorry, my lord. I have been trying to get connected and
Okay.
breaking, my lord. I
I
apologize.
understand. It's okay. It's okay.
So, my lord, so I just hurry it up. I was trying to inform court that we most humbly applied to withdraw our motion dated filed on 7 July 2023.
Let me just, the one filed when?
My lord, it was filed on 7th of July 2023. That was the one we ordinarily would have taken, but we now had to file another one on 19th July 2023.
So you want to withdraw the one filed
earlier, 7th July 2023.
dated when?
My lord, it is dated 7th July as well, dated 7th July and filed on the same day.
It's back on.
Any objection?
No, my lord.
No, my lord.
I agree for me, lord.
Okay. Motion dated and filed 7th July 2023 is hereby struck out.
We are very grateful, my lord. My lord, now we have the motion dated and filed on 19th July. We also have taken steps to serve on all the parties, and that is the extant motion we intend to move to deliver this order to court.
Dated when?
Dated and filed 19th July. 19th
To
July.
amend. To amend as well.
Yes, my lord, it's exactly the same terms, except that a few things were now removed. That was why we discarded the other one to now have this extant one. It's still the same for amend.
So I learned they are not objecting. No objection from
my lord, yeah, my lord, no objection. However, we have an observation.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, that prayer 2 cannot be granted.
Which one is that? Do you mean on
yes, that.
Okay.
Yes,
okay,
let me file
well.
a copy.
Very
no
well.
clean copy was filed alongside with it. So my lord cannot grant prayer 2.
Very well.
That is only observation we have, my lord.
Just 7 days to enable us file the clean copies.
Very
7
well.
days.
Mr. Julewa, are you opposing?
No position, my lord. But I'll align my observation that of the first and third defendants. Observe that we are not have clean copies. So they can.
Please state your prayers, Mr. Ogoriafo.
My lord, our prayers.
Just state your prayer.
Prayer 1 is an order granting the claimants leave to amend their statement of facts in this suit in the manner formulated and underlined in the claimant's statement of fact herein marked as Exhibit A. 2, an order deeming the statement of facts together with the additional deposition on oath and document respectively herein filed as properly filed and served, the appropriate filing fees haven't been paid. Ordinarily, my Lord, there is nothing wrong with that prayer because we have attached the amended statement of fact together with all the other documents and additional deposition. But if he insists, we will file within 7 days, my Lord.
Yes, Mr. Ogorefa, you need to endorse the amended statement of fact with the order, the leave of the court. So it is necessary for you to file clean copies.
Yeah, as a call, please.
I will do that, my Lord. We are very grateful, my Lord.
My Lord, upon the claimant counsel serving us a clean copy, will be asking for 14 days to file consequential amendment, my Lord.
Very well. You have enough time. But ordinarily, you are not supposed to ask for 14 days. But since you are going on vacation, you have more than enough time. So,
as the call pleases.
what date?
Just
guided.
How do I reach out to that?
What date?
My Lord, we
You have agreed on what date?
My Lord, may we be, I think it would be better the court guides us so that
okay, just
we know
give them a
exactly
date.
what date would there be. Otherwise, any date in October
Give
or
them a
early
date.
November.
Joseph. Give them a date. James, so who is there?
My Lord.
I hope they are still online. Where are they?
We are, my Lord.
Yes, my Lord,
Okay.
7th of November 2023 is convenient.
7th of November. My
Is it
Lord, it is
convenient
convenient for us, my Lord.
Or
It is
what should be convenient for you?
7th is convenient for us, my lord.
For all of you, okay?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, my lord.
7th of what, please?
Of November.
Of November 2023. It's a Tuesday.
Not convenient, my lord.
Okay, take another date.
What about 9th?
9 is okay by me too, my lord.
Is night convenient for you, Mr. Julera?
9th is convenient for us.
It's convenient.
Mr. Wanchuka said 9th is not convenient for him because he will be at a party on that day.
Okay, let them agree in November, any days in November, let them agree.
Is 8th convenient for other council?
What about 8?
8th is convenient for court.
Okay.
8th is convenient for us.
8th is convenient for me, my lord.
Okay, Mr. Julawa, 8th of November.
My lord, I'm sorry, my lord. We'll be returning from Asaba on the 8th. I just checked the diary. We have matter on the 7th and Asaba. We have to matter on Asaba.
Okay, coordinate yourself. Agree on a date. Suggest a date, Mr. Julewa. Suggest a date.
13th of November.
13th is convenient for me.
13th.
13th is convenient for me.
13th is convenient for Mr. Wanchuku.
Yes.
Mr. Gora.
Can we take 2 dates? Can we take 2 dates?
Or Tuesday, okay. Or Tuesday, 14th is convenient.
13th, 14th.
14th is convenient for me.
2 days. I said you should take 2 days.
13th and 14th.
13th and 14th is convenient, my lord.
13th and 14th.
Yes, my lord.
What about the others?
My lord, it is convenient for me.
It's convenient.
It's convenient for me, my lord.
Okay, so 13th and 14th.
13th and 14th.
Yes, my lord.
Very well. Okay. Others, pray, leave is hereby granted to the claimant to amend their statement of facts in this suit in the manner attached as Exhibit A to this application. The claimant's counsel is to file clean copies of an amended statement of facts with an endorsement of this order within 7 days. The defendants have 7 days to file their consequential amended statement of facts thereafter. As a result of this amendment, this case is adjourned to 13th and 14th of November 2023 for definite hearing by agreement of counsel.
We are very grateful.
Very well, thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Hello. Yes. We didn't ban the honorable this is also security more you want us to tell He was writing it. We are doing He was right. He was trying to get answers. I just man.
See, try this one. And cross check with all the dates.
Okay. Funny man.